In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a service quote template in Microsoft Word. If you provide services to customers and need a professional way to show your pricing, you can create a simple service quote template directly in Microsoft Word. A quote helps organize the services you offer, the prices, and the important information your customer needs before approving the work. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. At the top of the page, add your business or service name. You can make it bold, increase the font size, and position it clearly so the customer can easily identify who the quote is from. Next, add the basic quote information. This can include the quote number, date, customer name, and contact details. Place this information near the top of the document so it is easy to find. Now, create a table for the services you are offering. Go to the Insert tab, select Table, and choose the number of columns and rows you need. Inside the table, add headings such as description, quantity, rate, and amount. These headings will help organize the different services and make the pricing easier to understand. Under the headings, enter each service you want to include in the quotation. Add the quantity, rate, and amount for each service as needed. You can adjust the width of the columns so that the descriptions and prices fit neatly. You can also make the table headings bold to separate them from the service details. After adding the services, create a section for the total amount. Make sure the total is clearly visible so the customer can quickly see the overall quoted price. You can also add additional information below the table, such as the payment terms, quote validity, notes, or other details related to the service. Once the main content is complete, review the entire quotation and check that the service descriptions, quantities, rates, and totals are correct. You can also adjust the spacing, alignment, font, and table borders to give the quote a clean and professional appearance. Try to keep the design simple so the important information remains easy to read. After reviewing everything, save the document as a Word file. You can use this document as a reusable service quote template and update the customer and service information whenever you need to create a new quotation. And that's how you can create a simple and professional service quote template in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,